Right, okay, so this is a sea bass, but it's a bit of a nightmare because this is the operculum, the flap. I bought these from Sainsbury's. It said whole sea bass, but they've been gutted, and lo and behold, when we take the operculum off, what we see is they've ripped out the gills as well. So the whole point of me buying this, at least to get a sea bass for my tea. But I do want to show your year 12 the base of the mouth. So look, if we open up this sea bass's mouth, we can see there's the base. Have you got that, Flo? Yeah. This is the base of the mouth that it can raise and lower, and that changes the volume of the mouth, and that causes water to flow out through the gills, and we know all about the structure of the gills. Okay, while we're here, we'll just have a quick look at inside a fish's eye. And we'll try and get the lens out. Oh.
First time is kind of struggling now.
Do you like this bit like this? No.
I think it's okay.
Look at that, look.
Okay. Whoa, that looks like an
That-
iron end.
That is the lens. Look at that. How perfectly spherical is that?
Oh, it's not really zoomed out.
Looks
Focus,
like a
please.
pearl.
Just press it on the actual thing. Yeah, it should. Go on, I'll do it. Okay. And then, that's like an outer bit, and if we pop this lens, inside is a sort of crystalline lens, which is actually hard. Do you want to try and feel that? No. Do you want to feel it, Flo?
Oh, but it's really small.
Hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Amazing, and that allows the fish to see all around.
This is
Yeah.
very sticky. Very sticky, and why is it brown?
Okay, so that's it for the fish. This is going to be for my tea. Say goodbye, sea bass. Goodbye, sea bass.